Hey everyone, welcome back to DelftStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to change routes in your Google Maps. First, you have to go to your Google Maps on your desktop or your mobile phone, whatever you are using right now. Now you can see on the top corner the directions part. Click on the direction and choose your starting point. I will just click on this starting point like this. It has already been cleared and now my ending point is this one. It is just for a tutorial purpose. Now you can see a blue bar that has automatically generated a route for me, but now I just want to change my route. What will I do for that is just click on this and then just drag the position. You can custom it, you can create your own route like this, drag it to positions, and you can also add stops to it. So this is how you can just change the routes on your Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video.